Hi friends, today's topic is work and wages. I did a video on time and work. If you are not at all watching that, please go back and watch that video. Then only this topic would understand. I mean to say. Okay, I will start the thing. I will take the problem here. We already know the logic. I will tell the logic here. First of all, see friends, we already know about. I already told in M1, D1, T1, and E1, W2. S2 is equal to M2 D2 T2 E2. M is nothing but a man, D is nothing but a day, T is nothing but a time, E is nothing but a efficiency, W is nothing work and salary. Work and salary is always used to, that means work is always, if I will give them the example here. If if one man can do a work in one day, understand? See, if one more person is added for that work, two men, that means the job should not at all done in one day. It should be done before. It will take not at all more time. It will take less than that time. That means we need to take. We already I completed the unitary topic. This topic in unitary topic. Please go and see the video for that one. Definitely you would understand. Keep it as one as it is. Anyway, two mass speed it will take less time. That's why I make it as two. One less time is one. Keep it as numerator as one and two because I know already it is less time because it will take off day only. For if two men are ordered for that work, definitely it will take less time. The logic is if the more men are available, it will take less day for that work. If less men are available for that work, it will take more day for doing the work. Like that, we need to think the logic. That's why it will be take always invest a men and day. If I am shifting to there, it would be coming as 1D1. It always men and days are inversely proportional, not at all directly proportional, as well as men and work or days and work are directly proportional. If you are doing the job only, we will get the salary. If I am the person, I'm doing the work means I'm getting the salary for that one. That is a directly proportional thing. If you know this logic, definitely you would understand any of the problem. See, I will take the first problem here. Just I briefed on all the basic things. Please see the video and come back here. Okay, A can do a work in 6 days. See, A can do a work in 6 days. Understand? 6 days. B can do B can do the same work in 5 days. Okay, 5 days. Okay, I will show in LCM method always. Why? Because see, the 6 and 5 LCM is always should be 30 because 6 5 the 30 it is 6 and 5 is not divisible by any of the number. That's why the unit is the total work. Then now it is the total work for the 6 and 5 days is now LCM. Why we are taking? Because the total unit is the total combined work from this date. That means okay, for the one day how much would be that means um, see um, now it is this one for one day work should be 5 unit per day. Here how much for one day work? Here 6 5 the 6 unit. Why? Because what I am telling, that means we already tell in I already told in unitary method. See, for the 6 day it is 30 unit. Okay, for the one day how much unit should be? That means keep it as 31 only. Therefore, it should be 6 days means 1 by 6. Therefore, 5. The 5 only are written here like that. We need to understand, and then only we'll understand when then only we can easily solve the problems. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, fine. Just rub it down. Now the combination work should be how much shall be B if both them work together. If both them work together, A plus B is equal to 6 plus 5 is equal to 11 unit per day. 11 unit per day means 11 unit for one day. That means the total work is 30. Then how could be the things? Okay, one day. That means we are not here given the salary here. The question is how much shall B get if both are work together? B. Okay, the total salary of, if they counted total salary is 200 rupees, 220 rupees. For B, how much? The question is asking B. B will get how much? B will get how much? B 6 unit. 6 unit for 6 unit. How much? It should be less than that one, right? 220. That means keep it as that one in numerator because in numerator we need the less. Well, I'll keep it as 6 in denominator 11. Therefore, 11 to the 1120 the 220. Therefore 120 rupees B will get. The remaining amount A will get. That's it. Understand? But we will got that point. Remaining amount, if the question is asking for A, definitely you will get. If 220 minus 120, A will get the amount. 0, 0, 100. 100 amount, A will get. Remaining amount. If the question is asking for A, that is 100 rupees. Now it is a B will get. Question is asking for B. The amount should be rupees 120. Like that, we can easily solve the problem by using this method. Okay, next problem. A can do a work in 10 days. Okay. A man can do a work in 10 days. Man can work in 10 days means, okay, 10 days, 10 days. With the help of boy can do. With the help of boy means M plus B. That means overall work M plus B. That should be, what is the thing? 6 days, 6 days. Therefore, what is the LCM for both the work? That is the work I am calculating now. The LCM is 2, 5 the 3 the 3 5 the 15 and 15 to the 30. Therefore 30 unit for 1 unit. See, this is the day, don't confuse, this is not 100. Therefore 1 unit per day, how much you should be? 3 unit per day. And 6 5 the 30, 5 unit per day. The combination work is 5 unit. Therefore we already got M plus B is equal to 5 unit per day, 5 unit per day. Therefore M already given, B M already 5 minus 3 is B 2 unit per day. uh, Here the question is 2 unit per day. The question already said if they get 50 rupees for the work. Okay, if they get 50 rupees for the get means 5 unit is equal to, they will get 550 rupees. The question is now asking what is the share of the buy. What is a buy means we already got 2 unit. 2 unit means there should be less value. That means keep it as 50 as same as it is in. And we will get the buy means there should be 2 unit means there should be less value compared to that one. 2 divided by 5. 5 10 the, therefore buy will get 20 rupees. Okay. From that 50 rupees, boy will get 20 rupees. That means the men will get 30 rupees. The answer is B. Boy will get 20 rupees for that work with the help of boy. Okay, next questions. Okay, the question is A and B, A, B, C can do a work in 6, 8, 12 days respectively. Doing the work together, they get the amount of 1350. What is the share? Okay, A, B, C work together, they will get the amount of 1350 rupees, and we need to find out the B share in that amount. It is a very easy question, same as it is A, B, C maintained down. What is the days of 6 days, 8 days, and remaining 12 days. Take the LCM for that in order to overall work 6, 8, 12. Already I did a video for LCM and SCM. I will tag in the above section I as well as the time and work. Please see the video. Okay. Anyway, 12 is divisible by 2. I will neglect this one. 12 and 8 and 12. Well, remaining is divisible by 4 to the 4 to the 4 3 the LCM is 3 to the 6 and 6 for the 24. 6 to 24 is the LCM. Therefore, the overall work is 24 unit. Therefore, one day work should be now for A is 4 unit per day. B is A 3 24 3 unit per day. Don't confuse. This is the one. And C is 12 to the 24th unit per day. The overall unit should be A plus B plus C. The overall work should be for one day 4 3 7 9 unit. 9 unit for how much already they given the amount 1350. The question is asking for B thing just 3 unit. It is very easy question. 3 unit. What is the amount? 3 unit means there should be less value. Keep it as 1350 same as it is. We already know it will get amount will get less only. That's why numerator is 3 and denominator with the use of unitary method. 131 the, okay, I will take directly 9 on the um, 9 on the 9, therefore 150 going on 150 into 3, therefore amount 4. B will get 150 rupees. Okay, the answer is 450 rupees. The question, if the question is asking for, okay, anyway, if question is asking for A, how much amount? Because one unit there should be 150 into 3, 150 for one unit 153 amount, 150 amount For A is 4 unit, A will get 600. B will already get. C, what is the amount? 2 means 300. Understand? The total amount is 600, 300, 900, 900, 450, 1350. Answer is correct. If the question is asking for A, 600 rupees. If the question is asking for B, 450. If the question is asking, if anything asking for C, that is 300, 300 rupees. Like that, we can solve easily. The question only asking for B, that is 450 rupees. 450 rupees, sorry. Then move to the next question. Okay, A, B, and C contract a work for 550 rupees. Fine. Okay. A and B contract a work for rupees 500 rupees together. A and B are supposed to do a work of 7 by 11 of the work. Okay. Fine. A and B work together 7 by 1. Therefore, what is the ratio of C is the remaining should be C. Therefore, 1 minus 7 by 11. What is the ratio now? 7 by 11. Now it should be after LCM 4. 11 minus 7 is 4 by 11. Therefore, 7 is to uh, 11 is coming, 7 is to 4. The total is 11 unit. Now, if adding up these things, 11 unit. For 11 unit, total work should be how they will get the amount. Okay, 550 rupees, they will get the amount for the 11 unit work. The question is asking for how much C get. What's the unit of C here? The C is 4 unit. Therefore, 4 unit means keep it as 550 into 4 divided by 11. Therefore, 50, 5 for the 200 rupees C will get. Like that, we can easily solve the question by using this data. Okay, we need to understand the question. What is the question asking? Then only we can easily solve any of the problem. If you understand the question, what is asking, then we can easily solve any of the problem. No ambiguity should be there. We need to the way of method we need to choose because many of the method will be there because we need to take preferable method which can understanding to you. Okay, fine. This is the best way to solving the problem. Next question I will take. Okay, the two men undertake to do a piece of work for rupees 200. Okay, fine. They will get the amount of rupees 200. One alone could do a work in 6 days. Okay, one I will take it as CA. What is the thing? 6 days, right? 6 days. Fine. Then other person will get doing 8 days. Okay, 8 days with assistance of boy. Okay, with assistance of boy means I will take it as C1 in 3 days. Okay, 3 days. Fine. What is the LCM for 6, 8, and 3? Okay, 3 and 6 are divisible by 3 only. I will neglect this one. 6 and 8, what is the LCM? 2, 3, the 2, 4, the 4, 3, the 12, to the 24 unit. 24, this is the day friend. 3 days, not 30 day. Day. Got 24 unit. What is the 1 day unit? 1 day work. Then 6 for the 24. I will repeat on here. 4 unit per day. Here, what is the unit? 3 unit per day. And here it is 8 unit per day. Okay, fine. Here the question is we need to find out uh, how should money be divided. Okay, we need to individually calculate the amount how they will get. Okay, fine. We already got the value a plus b plus c is equal to 8 unit per day, 8 unit per day. Therefore, we already know the values of 4 and 3. A value 4 and B value C. If C is equal to 8 minus 7 is equal to 1 unit per day will come. 1 unit for 1 day it is coming. Okay, fine. Okay, the overall amount is 8 rupees, right? 8 unit. 8 unit for 8 work they will get the 200 rupees. So how much C is the 1 unit, right? How much he will get? 1 unit means 200 1 by 8. That means we already know 1 will be less value, then numerator should be 1 and denominator should be 8. How much should be? 8 to the 16 and 16 4 carry 25 rupees. Fine. C will get 25 rupees for Like that, we need to, for 1 unit it is 25. Then we can easily solve for 3 unit. We will get 3 into 25, 75 rupees, and A will get 4 into 25, 100 rupees. Like that, we can easily solve from the answer should be 25, 75, 100. What is the option? Okay, this is the option. A is the correct answer. Rupees 100, 75, 25 is the answer for this question. Like that, we can easily solve the problem without any ambiguity like that. We need to understand that what is the or what are the question asking like that. Some or if any of the doing, if any problem is given, we need to take the hint from the problem. Then only we can easily solve the problem. Okay, I will move on to the next problem. Okay, the wages of 45 women. Wages means salary of. Okay, I will get person. How many persons are there? This is 45 women is present person. Okay, for the rupees means salary. Salary is 15,525. Fine. How many? Okay, in 48 days. Days also given. Days 48. Fine. How many months must be work for 16 days? Okay, 16 months is there. A question is asking for 16 months. If they receive the salary for 5,750 rupees, 5,760 rupees, and the daily wages of men A being double. Okay, here it is given how many members. Sorry, the question is how many member is asking. Therefore, we need to calculate how many members for the question and 16 days. The daily wages of men, the daily wages of men means uh, okay, the efficiency should be double, the men should be double compared to women. We already know the formula, we can apply easily. M1 D1 E1 S2 is equal to M2 D2 E2 S2. We already know this formula from time and work. See, just we are substituting the value. Therefore, M2 is equal to just applying M1 S1 directly applying a 45 into 5 7 M1 here directly I'm applying 41 5150 into 48 into 1. Okay, efficiency is 1. Okay, the days is 48 and the salary is 57. Directly I'm applying the values. M2 means here remaining values be D2 is to salary I'm taking first 5. Okay, 15525 is the salary, and here 16 is the days, and 2 is the efficiency. Now 16 on the 16 3 the, then 45 on the 45 345 the, it will go on. Then which can find, then 3 1 the 3 115 the 3 115 on the, then it should be 2875. The answer should be now, after calculating this we will get the 25. After cut by 115 divided by this one 25 we will get. The answer is 25 men are required to complete the work. To complete 25 25 men are doing that work will get the salary of 5750 as well as 12 days in 12 days, and the men will be more stronger than women. Like that we can easily solve the problem by using this formula. Okay, next problem, last problem. See, the thing is we need to understand the problem. We can easily solve. If you understand the problem, definitely we will solve any of the problem. I'm taking the only difficult problems only. Definitely, if these problems you can solve, you can able definitely you can solve any of the problems with work and wages. This is the um, I will take last problem. Okay, the three men. These types of problem already are solved in time and work. Just I'm showing how to solve the problem with the rupees with a salary. 3 men and 4 boys get the salary. Okay, get the salary 756 rupees. 756 rupees in 7 days. Why I'm taking like this? See, M1 D1 is equal to uh, S1. Understand? M1 is equal to S1 divided by D1. See M1, 3 men and 4 BR I am written here from the formula. If you understand the formula, definitely you could substitute like that. Salary I am noted down. Here it is the days. Days I am substituting in denominator. Understand? This is the one equation, friend. Okay. The question. What the next? The 13 boys can earn rupees 3008. Okay, fine. 11 men, sorry, 11 men and 13 boys can earn how much rupees? 3008 rupees in 8 days. The question is now 7 men and 9 boys earn 2480 rupees. We need to calculate how much, how much, how many days they will take. Okay, fine. Now we can substitute the value from that one. After substitute the value, 7 will go it for 7 on the 7 8 108. Fine. Here, uh, how much they will go? 8 3 the 24, 6 is on the 56. Again, it's 6 to 48. Okay, 376 is going on. 374. 3m plus 48 is equal to 108, as well as 11m plus 13b is equal to 376 rupees. That means, okay, this is equation 2. Can we make equal? Okay, like that we can make it for one decimal, like 108 is equal to 1. I will make it as like that equation. Because we can easily substitute, we can get the m1 value. 313b is equal to 376 is equal to 1. The 1 equal, now it will make it as equal. Then we return as uh, can I return as 106 is equal to 11m plus 13b is equal to 376. Okay, how much they will go? 4 to the 8 to this is a 108, right? 4 to the 8, 2 carries 2 4 7 the 28. Now it is going on like that. 436 and 1 carries 9 4, like that we can solve. Okay, fine. Now the value should be 94 3m plus, I'm substituting here, 94 3m plus 48 is equal to 27 11em plus 3b, isn't it? After substituting the value, 94 into 3 282m plus 94 into 48 376. Because shortcut multiplication already I did, and please see the video how I am multiplying. I am taking fast. I should be fast to you. Calculate from your end. 27, that means be 11 11. Okay, 2 7 7 plus 9 dear 1. Okay, 297 men plus 27 into 3, the 51. Okay, 351 b. Fine. Now after substituting the value, 282 minus 297, uh, that should be as 15. Okay, 15 men is equal to 376 minus 351, that is 25. 25 b. Therefore I will rub it down. Now the equation is, because for better practice I will not, yes, space is not available, that's why I'm rubbing here. Okay, now it is 15 men is equal to 25b. Understand? Then here, if b is equal to del, then substitute here for this equation. How much will you get? 3, this one is 3m is equal to 512 the 60. Therefore, m is equal to 20. We will get the value m is equal to 12 and m is equal to 20. Just this is not rupees. Just substitute the equation to here 7m plus 9b. We will get the value. Okay, I will rub it on here. Just we are already getting the value of 7 is equal to 7 into 20 plus 9 into 12 and make it as x here. Why? Because just I am written is equal to 2480 rupees they will get. We need to calculate the day, how many days they will work. Then 7 to the 14, 140 plus 19, 12, 9 the 108, 108 x, 108 x is there. Therefore 2480, if I add in 240 plus 108, there should be 248x is equal to 2480. If I substitute the value 1 the x is equal to, because okay 10 days is they work. See, the 3 men and 4b work for 108 days, 11 men and 13 boys can work for rupees 3,308 rupees for the day 8. We need to calculate the days, how many days they will work for the rupees 2480, 7 men and 9 work. Here we can easily solve this problem by using this method, because if you know the logic, definitely we could solve any of the problem by using this logic. Because we are calculating from using the formula m1 d1 and s1. After applying the formula with equating in the one work, we are substituting all the value and we are getting the value of m and b. After once we are getting the m and b value, substituting this equation, we will get the days from that equation. Like that we can easily solve any of the problem. It will take more time, but actual method, it is the very easy method what I'm showing, if we are understanding the problem. Like that we can able to solve any of the work and wages problem by using these methods. Maybe you are liking this way. If you are not at all understand, please let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe my telegram channel as well as this link. Please hit the like button as well as subscribe if you're liking this video. Because I did a video for percentage, topic, and I covered all the sections in aptitude as well as reasoning with multiple tricks, tips, and tricks. If you have any thoughts in your mind, any doubts in your mind, please let me know in the comment section, and please share this video and keep supporting this channel as well. Thank you.